wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! We're doing a garden episode.
Ooh, garden. That's so much fun.
Because it's springtime and we're very excited because this is a time where everything starts growing.
Yeah, and it gets really, really big and all the flowers smell really, really pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice like my dress. Look, my dress has roses on it.
Oh, wow. And roses are my favorite.
Aw.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's great for a garden episode.
It is.
Aw.
So, Play-Doh garden.
Yeah.
Olivia, what does this all do?
It's got lots of different parts. So it's got a flower pot that we can plant a flower in, and it's got a flower presser, so like a thing you press the Play-Doh in to make a flower, and it's got a watering pot that the water can come out of.
Can I use the watering pot? I want to water all of the plants.
Yeah. And we can even make grass growing, all sorts of stuff.
Grass growing?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's exciting. Yeah. Should I open it up?
Yeah, can you open it? Yeah, let's see what's inside. Oh. Yay! Okay.
Hey!
Ooh.
Whoa, this is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Look, this is for me.
Oh yeah, that's the watering can. That's the watering can.
That's for me, right? So I can water all the plants?
Mm-hmm. And
oh, Play-Doh! I love Play-Doh!
That's the rose thing right there, or the flower thing. That one makes a flower. I'll hold that.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
What's this here?
The red one? The red one is the potting thing for the flower. It's like the potted plant holder. Oh, and the pink one is the plant maker.
Why do we have scissors?
Oh, so that we can trim the flowers. That's called it's called pruning. Yeah. When you trim the flowers so they can grow big and strong. It's like cutting your hair. Ooh, that one is a big planter, like a window box. So we can make the grass grow up in it by pushing the Play-Doh up through it. Yeah.
Oh look, I think do we have two?
Do we have two? Oh no, I think the bottom part goes into the top part to push the grass through.
Oh, okay.
I think. I'm not 100% sure yet.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah?
Yeah, because this has holes in it, look.
Yeah. Yep. Ooh. I could see your eyeballs.
And then this doesn't have holes in. So this is the bottom part, and then we put this on top.
And we put the Play-Doh in the middle and push it, and then the grass will grow up, or whatever plant we want to make it.
Okay.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Throw this away.
Okay, let's throw that away. Let's recycle it.
Oh yeah, we have to recycle this. I should be throwing this just to the side, right?
Oh yeah, so we can put it back away when we're done.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can I give it to you?
Yeah, I'll take it. Thank you.
So kids, are you ready? Let's get started with our Play-Doh.
Yay!
So Olivia, what are we doing here?
Okay, we get to pick. So this one makes a flower, you press it, and this one is the flower pot, you push through there, and that one pours water, and this one will grow up flowers through the holes.
Okay, but why don't I wanted to water all the plants. So why don't I do that and then I'll plant this.
Okay, and I'll do these two, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, let's try those.
I want to do grass.
Okay.
Can I do grass?
Yeah. I'm going to do some pink. Might do like half of it.
I'm going to do half of it too.
Okay, do you want the other half of pink just in case you want it for something?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Okay. I might use your other half of green.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I love Play-Doh.
Yeah, me too. Play-Doh's really fun. I
It is.
like how much stuff you can do with it. You can make so many different things.
Look.
Oh, is it going already? Oh, that works so good.
Oh wait, but I need to water it.
Yeah, you do. I'm going to smush
So
this.
it'll grow
I
even
don't know
more.
if this is too much. I'm gonna smush it. Smush it. Smush, 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 smush. Smush, smush, smush. Look.
Wow.
Yeah.
That flower looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you think you can do a green stem and a pink flower?
Yeah, I could try.
Why don't you try that?
Yeah, I'll try that. Okay, I'm gonna take off the stem part of this one. I'm just smushing it off.
Smush it off.
I smushed it off. And I'm gonna pull off the pink on the sides. Just a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna water my flowers now.
Okay.
My grass.
Okay.
So it will grow.
Oops, big and strong.
So it'll grow. Look.
I'm watching. Woo! Wow.
And look, it's working.
That looks really neat. And now I'm gonna try and do a green stem. So I'm gonna smush it, smush it, smush it, smush it. Smush, smush, smush.
Ta-da! Look, it worked.
Whoa! Yeah, and it made it grow so much higher. Oh, that was so much good water. Good idea. Oh, and look. Here's the stem for my flower.
Oops, I almost broke your flower.
No, you didn't get it. You're okay.
Where's the hair?
Thank you. And now I just stick it together like that. There. And I stuck it together.
Oh, do you want me to water it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me come.
Let's see if it'll stand up. I'm going to lean it on there. Oh, wait. I'm gonna stand it up right there. Maybe I should just lay it down. It looks better, huh? Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna water your flower.
Okay, will you water it, please?
Can you help cut my grass? I think it's growing too much.
Yes, I will cut your grass.
Okay, I'm gonna water your flower. Look.
Thank you. Woo! And I am cutting your grass. Should I cut your water?
Cut my water.
So much water on that. Oh, and now I want to do, can I see the, maybe the blue?
I'll give you the blue.
Yeah.
Here's the blue.
Thank you.
I'm gonna clean up all our mess.
Okay.
Because you cut my flowers and now they're all messy.
Yeah. And I'm going to put this in here. Oh, I need to roll it smaller.
I just cut all mine. Did you see?
Yeah.
I cut them down very short.
Okay, wait. I want to show you this one.
Okay, show me.
Are you ready?
I am ready. I'm watching.
Let's see. And you see it grows.
Whoa.
Whoa, big like a flower, huh?
That almost looks like a cactus.
Yeah, like a cactus flower. I think then you put it down like this. And you can make those be petals. Like that. And
then you need another flower. Here. Well, how about you make a green flower?
Yeah, I'll do a green flower in this thing, yeah?
Okay. I'm going to clean up.
Okay, you clean up. I'm just going to smush this in the top part. I'm going to smush. Smush it. Smush it so much. And then pop it open. Oh yeah, that works pretty good, huh? Nice. And look, I'm going to take out the middle blue part. And
But wasn't that the stem?
oh, well, I just made the stem part of the flower.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to make some more grass. How about I do some more grass? And then I think,
Ah,
wow, that looks really cool.
thanks.
I'm going to make some more grass.
Okay, do you need more green? Or do you
yeah.
have enough? You want more?
All of this green.
Okay.
I'll take this.
All right here.
Okay,
You got enough?
I think so.
Okay. Oh, and can I try watering your flower?
Yeah.
Okay. And grab
Here's
that.
some blue.
Thank you. I'm gonna roll it.
Here's some more blue, actually. That might be better.
Okay. Even more.
Okay, my turn.
Okay.
My turn now?
Yeah, your turn, your turn.
Oh, I didn't do a good job cleaning up here.
You picked up a lot of it.
Okay, I'm going to do some grass.
Okay, I'll watch. Ooh. Wow.
See, now
That's
we have
so
a nice
neat.
garden.
Yeah, we do.
I'm gonna set it all up.
Okay, can I water it? Or do I need to wait?
But let me wait. Let me first set it.
Okay, you set it all up. Oh, I'll clean these ones up over here. Okay.
Too much water.
Yeah, we had a lot of water.
But now we have so many things.
Yeah.
Look, that's your beautiful flower.
Okay, I like that one. Thank you. I smush it to the ground. Does it stay? Aw.
Stay. Look, kids.
Oh,
These are the flowers we did.
that's so nice. They're so pretty.
They
Should
are,
I water
aren't they?
it or should I just leave it to grow?
Maybe we should just leave it to grow.
Yeah.
And then when we come back, we'll water it again.
Yeah, we'll water it tomorrow because we already watered it today, huh?
Yeah. Let's do that.
Aw,
It's really cool.
this is awesome. I like that.
Wow, that looks pretty awesome, doesn't it?
Yeah, that looks super, super great. I really like it. Aw.
I like your pink flower.
Thank you. I like your blue flower too.
Yeah, I did that still.
Yeah, you did really, really good.
While you were cleaning up and everything, I did that quickly for the kids.
Yeah, it's really nice. I like it.
And the green grass growing.
Yeah.
I guess we should check in tomorrow and then water some more. But not now.
Yeah.
I think we watered enough because we
Yeah.
just planted it. And if you water too much, that's not good either. No.
Plants can get too much water.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I would say we just let it grow for now and then see what happens, right?
Yeah, maybe we smell the flowers.
Smells good.
Yeah.
Smells really rosy.
Smells super nice. Yeah, like
Yeah.
a garden, huh?
Yeah, like fresh sunshine.
Yeah.
Yep.
Aw.
So you were saying?
I was saying that it smells nice and we should probably say goodbye to the kids, I guess, huh?
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Kids, we're gonna continue watching and taking care of these flowers. How about you play with Play-Doh gardening set too, because that's fun. You'll enjoy that.
Yeah, and decide what kind of flowers you want to make and if you want to
Exactly.
make a rose or a daisy or what you want to do.
Yep.
Yep, sounds fun.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!